In this video, I want to show you how you can chat with Shopify. So what you want to do is you want to head over to shopify.com/contact, or simply Google contact Shopify and just select the first one. Inside of here, open up the help center, and there will be many questions that has already been answered. So I suggest you look through these first. So if you have trouble with your account, just click on this and it will show you a lot of things. Now, if this doesn't work, I suggest you talk with the AI. If the AI cannot answer your question, you can ask it to transfer you to an agent, which will be a real person. Now, if this doesn't work, another thing you can do is, if you have very specific questions about something, you can see in-person selling, plus plan, and enterprise solutions. So if you want to talk with this, you can click here and send in your application, and you will be able to talk with their experts about these things. Now you can also go and you can talk with the Shopify community. This is some affiliate stuff. You don't need to think about this, but Shopify community, you can go in here and you can ask questions and the community will be able to answer. So this is how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.